Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video, we will learn how to open PDF in your application. So first thing, you need to open a link that is given in the description of this video, and that is this. Okay, so here first go to the down and copy this Gradle implementation. Okay, so just copy and in your application go to the Gradle, this app module, and here you need to paste it and click this sync now. So here you can see the sync is complete. Now again go to the same page and here you can see the XML code. So again copy this. This is the view that we will use to open the PDF. And here go to the activity XML and first just delete this text, and you can also change this to relative layout. And paste here. So its width is match parent and height is match parent and ID is PDF view. And in the design part you can see we have added this view. Okay, so go to the main activity and again if you go to the page you can see we have many options that we can use to load PDF. And in this video I will show you from asset and from file. First you need to create an object of PDF view. Okay, and here PDF view equal to find view by ID dot ID dot PDF view. Okay, now first we want to open PDF from asset folder. So here go to the res folder and here right click new and folder, here asset folder, click finish and here you can see asset folder. So I want to open this sample PDF, so first open here and you can see it has two pages, second page and first page. Okay, first and second. Just close this, right click, copy and paste this in the asset folder. You can change its name if you wish, then click OK. Now it's very simple, just use this PDF view dot from asset and name of the file is sample.pdf. So sample.pdf.load. Okay, so just try to run this. Here you can see our application is running and this is the PDF. You can just zoom in, zoom out and also scroll. Okay, so the second method is from file. So first make this comment and we want to open a PDF that is in our phone memory. For example, we want to open a PDF. So first open this file, Google File application, and here you can go to internal storage, and for example I want to open this hello.pdf. okay, so this is the PDF that I want to open in my application. So what you need to do, just long press, and after that click on these three dots, and click file info. Here you can see the path of that file. Okay, so first create a file object, press alt enter here, file equal to, and here we need to put path of that file. So path is okay, so this is the path, and in the next line pdf view dot from file, and this file object dot load. Okay, so as you know, if we are accessing internal storage, we need to add permission in the manifest file. So here uses permission read external storage. Okay, and run this. In the first time you will see that PDF will not load. Here you can see application is running but PDF is not load, because we also need a runtime permission, and for that you can add code here, but for simplicity I am just manually enabling the permission. So go to the app info and permission, okay, this, okay, again run this, and this time you can see our application is running and this is the PDF. Okay, you can just scroll and zoom in, zoom out. One more thing I want to show you, how to open a PDF that we have created, and for that I need to create a simple PDF. So before opening this file we need to create a file. So also make this comment, and here we will call a method create PDF. Press alt enter and create method, and here we will create a PDF. So I will create a simple PDF. So first is PDF document object, PDF document, my PDF document, one paint object, press Alt Enter, import class. Now the third is PDF info object. PDF document dot page info. Page info equal to new PDF document dot page info dot builder, and size for example 400 comma 500, page number 1 dot create and semicolon. Now create a page object. So PDF document dot page equal to my PDF document dot start page, and here page info. So all I have explained in the previous videos. So if you are getting any confusion, you can follow previous videos. Again, create a canvas object. Page dot get canvas. Okay, so using this canvas dot draw text, welcome to Sathi Technology, comma its position for example 40 comma 50 comma my paint. Okay, now my PDF document dot finish page. Okay, now this file object we will use here. So file, new file, and here this dot get external files dir, comma put the file name open PDF. Okay, so this is the file that we are going to use. My PDF document dot write to new file output stream file. Okay, press Alt Enter here, surround with try catch, and at the last my PDF document dot close. Okay, so in this condition first we will create a file and then load that file. Okay, so again try to run this. So here you can see application is running, and this is the PDF that we have created and we have opened that. So this is the simple methods that you can use to open PDF in your application. I hope you get everything very clearly. So thanks for watching. In the next video we will continue this series. So meanwhile, please subscribe, like and share.